What is good, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I want to give you guys a very important update about the markets. Let me mention that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link. If you deposit $100, you're guaranteed 7 free stocks, and the offer ends in 5 days. Anyways, I wanted to call out something very important about the markets. SPY got this crazy pump all the way up to about 534. And what's very interesting is we weren't able to hold this level. So I said if we broke this is such an important level because if we broke this, SPY would have saw a bigger squeeze and continued to run. Instead, we struggled to really break through that level. We got a big rejection. From here, a big red bar has formed. So if we were to rebound, if we rebound to 531.5 or something and reject again, this is a sign of a rejection and some weakness on SPY. SPY got a big rejection right here, so just be very careful. And we haven't been able to break the critical resistance. If we broke this, we would have run much harder, but we came just short. So SPY is likely going to continue to fall, in my opinion. So just be very careful, guys. We're currently testing 521.5. If that breaks, we have 529 as our 200 EMA, then 528 is coming next. So just be careful and see how well we hold up. Just know that right now we are seeing a lot of bearish momentum that's kind of building up, and it's really hurting the markets. With Nvidia, we pushed all the way up to 1040, but now Nvidia is kind of cooling off a little bit from right here. So as you guys can see, Nvidia has these very key fib levels. Let me just pull these up in a second. You can see that if we look at it just like this and we go back to the high up here, Nvidia is now in a very critical place. Let's see how well it holds above 1000, at least for the time being. We're holding it very well. Nvidia definitely has potential, but I just wanted to say that right now it's very important to note this. That Nvidia, once again, it hit this resistance at 1040. Now it's cooling off just a bit. I'll be watching to see how well it holds above 1020. For SPY, still looking kind of weak, so just be very careful as we hit the support. Going into Tesla, Tesla was trying to rebound, hitting 182. I said we have to hold 182 to turn bullish. We failed and we rejected. Now Tesla's falling. We also lost 178, so that's another sign of weakness. We could be dipping all the way down closer to the 175 area. Tesla is showing some weakness right now. On the 1 hour time frame, we're actually testing I believe we're testing our 200 EMA right now. If we lose this, once again, 175 is coming next, followed by 173. So just be careful. Tesla is showing some weakness right now as the whole market kind of rejected. Same thing with the QQQ. We weren't able to break past 461. Got a little rejection here. We're below our 20 EMA. So the next support I'll be watching for is 456.5. If we lose that, watch 455.5 and then 454. We're looking a little bit more bearish. We're starting to dip even more. So just be very careful, guys. The market is still rejecting. Aapl has a head and shoulders that's playing out very nicely. Hasn't even made the full move yet. We're just at the imbalance right now at 189.25. If we continue to fall, I'll be looking for the 188.5 area. A little bit of a rejection has come. If you look at Amzn, we failed to break past 185, kind of rejected. Now we're dipping back down lower towards 182. If we lose that, then 180 is coming. For Meta is also dipping a little bit. If we lose 466, we're going to be looking for a dip all the way down to 463. And then for the others out there, that's what I'm seeing, at least for now. So rejections are happening across the board. The market is showing some weakness. SPY is trying to hold 529.5, so we'll see how well it does here. But there is a lot of bearish momentum, so just be careful. And in order for us to turn back to bullish, we have to see a big break above 534. We have to continue to hold that level. For now, SPY is continuing to look weak, and there is a risk of more downside, so just be very careful. My job here is just to give you guys the warning about this and call out some levels, so make sure you watch the levels I call out. And just know that the market did pump very nicely thanks to Nvidia. We did predict that this would happen, but as a result, things are still cooling off. For data, we just had initial jobless claims come in below expectations. Now new home sales should be coming out very soon. When it comes to PMI data that just came out, the PMI composite, the S&P Global Composite PMI, that was above expectations, showing some strength. Basically, the manufacturing PMI was close to expectations, and then the services PMI was a little bit stronger. So we're seeing some strength in the economy that's from that end, but it wasn't really enough to really help the market bounce. Now we just have another couple of pieces of data coming out, like new home sales, the Fed Composite Index, and just a couple of other things, very minor pieces of data. So we'll see how things go. Let's see how well SPY tries to hold in this 530 area. And once again, 529.5 is our current support. So we'll see if we lose it or not. Right now, there is bearish momentum, and the bears are kind of winning, at least temporarily for right now. Don't forget that SPY are already pumped like crazy, so it's not like we're crashing or anything like that. This is just like a big rejection for now. And then don't forget about the levels I called out. All right. So this is your important warning. I want to be very quick with this. I want to thank you all so much for listening. Have a great day and peace out.